I'm nearing the end of my 4th year. I feel like I've been lacking, crying too many tears. Everyone seemed to say it was so great, but did I miss out? Was it a huge mistake? I can't help the fact I like to be alone. It might sound kinda sad, but that's just what I seem to know. I tend to handle things usually by myself, and I can't ever seem to try and ask for help. I'm sitting here, crying in my prom dress. I'd be the prom queen if crying was a contest. Makeup is running down, feelings are all around. How did I get here? I need to know. I guess I maybe had a couple expectations, thought I'd get to them, but no I didn't. I guess I thought that prom was gonna be fun, but now I'm sitting on the floor and all I wanna do is run. I keep collections of masks upon my wall to try and stop myself from revealing it all. Affecting others is the last thing I would do. I keep to myself though I want to break through. I hold so many small regrets and what ifs down inside my head. Some confidence, it couldn't hurt me. My demeanor is often misread. I'm sitting here, crying in my prom dress. I'd be the prom queen if crying was a contest. Makeup is running down.
Over my shoulder, eyes peeking in, analyze my every move, what current state I'm in. Cause you are colder than ice on my skin. Wanna get that A plus, baby, so you take my shit. Cause I am little, right? I won't call you out. Teachers saying you get credit, why would you stop now? You are so desperate, craving that spotlight. Shine it on the ones who do the shit cause it's their life. But I know there are people around. You say just do what it takes to make it all the way. You're a copycat. You take it then you leave it, honey, just like that. Just like that. You're falling flat. You find someone like me to bring you up right back. Up right back. Can't be that. Obsessed with power. You want it for yourself, feeding on misogyny, but still you call yourself a feminista. If that were really true, you wouldn't feel as if I were a current threat to you. But I know there are people around. You say just do what it takes to make it all the way. You're a copycat. You take it then you leave it, honey, just like that. Just like that. You're falling flat. You find someone like me to bring you up right back. Up right back. Find someone else to leech on, lady. My blood's for me, not for your babies. College or state and all your savings. My blood's for me, so no more taking.
Anything you can do, I can do better. In prison for stealing, I'll write you a letter. Courageous and clever, creative director. I raised the bar higher, sir, I broke the record. I'm hot as pepper, summertime and leather. Scuffed up my boots, boy, I'll stump you in Skechers. They wanna be like their first name is Hector. Back against wall, bitch, I am a projector. From the projects, don't check on my ex. Like Unibrow, say I'll break broken necks. Wish you the best, won't show you my next move, so I guess you'll be upset. Don't cry, no, baby, you'll find your own way. Think for yourself, it'll all be okay. Copyright lyrics, you can't steal my spirit. They live for my music, they're dying to hear it. imitated, never duplicated. You wish you related.